Nice and lovely. Right here I have two nice lovely pieces of steak. I'm just marinating into some pepper, salt and garlic right here. Alright. If you see that red thing on it, because it's a steak season, I just crack some on it. But normally steak, you know what I mean, you just want to marinate into some garlic and some salt and pepper. You know what I mean? And this is a perfect roast steak. This is amazing steak, guys, as you can see it for yourself. Really fantastic and nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna be frying up this lovely steak, make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about right here. It's just amazing right here, and I know 100% you guys definitely will love that steak. I'm just gonna quickly give it a little click on it, just to let you see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. We always are giving the best of the best, so this is what's gonna happen now in the kitchen. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, stay right there and watch this video. Alright, look at this stuff. Alright, let's start the business. And this is what gonna happen. Alright, we're just gonna pop a little bit of oil inside of the frying pan, inside of the grill pan. Not much, just a little bit. Alright, use a brush and just paint it. Alright, that's exactly what you want. Now, get the white wine. That is amazing. Long time when it comes to and I decided to eat this evening. some tomato on it. I'm gonna shear it up now. Well done steak. Alright, just gonna shear it up now. You can see some potato, tomato. Lovely and nice. And this is the steak. And we have some grilled onion. Beautiful. That's exactly what I'm talking about. A little bit of noise was making, but come out really good. Enjoy it. That